December the 17th, Tuesday. Later, Expo Sales Manager in our factory assembly site. Take 40 minutes introducing our camless spring formation. We are spring machine manager. Firstly, let me introduce myself. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan, South China. Our machine, GUANGJIN spring machine, GSM, GUANGJIN spring machine, and expert sales manager, Mr. Wu. Okay, my contact. You can find my contact details on my WhatsApp, WeChat, my working email site, TikTok channels. You can also find some more videos and assembling videos, sampling or mass producing videos, introducing our machine videos on YouTube. More videos on YouTube. Okay, GUANGJIN spring machine, GSM, and later export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. Is about 75 minutes driving from our factory to Guangzhou Airport to Shenzhen Airport, the same. Okay. We are close just within 1 hour to Canton Fair halls. And today, show you that camless spring. This is one of the examples, one of the models among all our camless spring machine. This one presented 12 actions as 8 under wire feeding, wire rotary, manual, and spin. So total 12 actions. It's approachable here 30 actions for servo cutter, for servo sizer. So this machine process the feeding wire, 0 feeding wire 2 to 6 millimeters. This one, the work panel consists of the dividing tool, the system, the slides, the work panel, the shovel, the chassis, control system, and the wire to 5 parts inclusive. The work panel, the chassis, the shovel, the control system, and the wire to this, the work panel first. Work panel consists of this one. Okay, we are screen machine manufacturer and show you. Meanwhile, this is the channel. This is the channel. Inside of the channel consists of the wire rotary, the wire feeding, and the water panels server suspended on the rear of the water panel. The structure, the wire rotary, the wire feeding, 4-panel feeding doors, 7 kilowatt wire feeding server. Wire feeding server of 4 kilowatt, and the wire rotary 4.5 kilowatt. Okay, we also here and show you. We also have the one. This is our camless, our camless screen formula. Number 1 and number 2, camless, no wire rotary. Number 3, number 4, camless with wire rotary. The small goes for camless, no wire rotary. The bigger one, camless with wire rotary. Okay, to compare the difference of camless, no wire rotary and camless with wire rotary at the rear. My right hand, camless, no wire rotary, and the left hand, camless with wire rotary. Check to compare the difference. Okay, the chamber, camless with wire rotary with the chamber consists of the wire rotary, wire feeding, and the left hand. to compare this one camless with wire rotary, and this on my left hand camless no wire rotary. This one camless no wire rotary. The work panel, the servos to every handle, and in the center wire feed gearbox. And at the bottom, the chassis holding every server, control system level, air switches, power supply, transformer, cable and wires. So here's a structure of the chassis. For electric cars, consists of servo motors, the servos, control system level, air switch, connectors, power supply, transformer. Meanwhile, this is our spring folding machine. Camless one, 10 type 1 with wire rotary and without no, and with wire rotary, no wire rotary. So here's the samples showcase. This is the cam type with wire rotary. Compare. Let's do a comparison. Let's do a comparison. Now, in my left hand, camless with wire rotary. And in my right hand, so we are spring machine manufacturer. And we do a lot of, and our machine do a lot of tasks for a regular spring, for a special spring, for a tailor-made spring, also for tailor-made wire forming products. Like for this machine, first let me introduce this machine, what it can do for this machine. Like this, many tasks for this machine must producing the agriculture leg time, leg teeth, agriculture leg time, leg teeth, this one. 4 to 10 millimeter, different shape, longer leg, a shorter leg, leg time, leg teeth, and the wide, okay, the regular as well, like this, very heavy. Pure spring is 6 carbon steel, 6 millimeter carbon steel pure spring in vehicles, using in vehicles, pure spring, and the regular pure spring, central hook at both sides, regular pure spring. Also a little bit strong. And this one soft, 4 millimeter only. This one pure spring. The wire forming products, this machine, and this special of the wire twisted. with hook, wire twisted, wire forming products, wire bending, and wire forming products by this machine. Also, this plastic clamp, pipe clamp, plastic pipe clamp. 6mm stainless steel the wire bending products. Okay. Meanwhile, we also for this series machine, a similar machine, a smaller machine, we do a lot of other products like this, the special wire bending products is the camp tent, 4-corner, ground stick. This is the quilting area, this is area by quilting finger, and this by the spinner. So at very on the side, towards the net on this machine, the spinner and program, this round program that was used for this. The tent camp, ground stick, plate, 10 pieces per minute. 10 pieces per minute. A spinner goes to this side, this area, and the currently there goes to this. Meanwhile, we do a lot of special, and we have other machine are smaller to make covering. Many of regular and special springs like this. This one, spiral, wire spiral, and the spinner, the torsion spring, by camless spring foam machine, torsion spring, and the set belt, spiral spring, constant force spring, using in a set belt lock. This outdoor barbecue item. The sports high jump matches, high jump closure, anti-vibration suspension spring. The wire bending products. This consists of over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consists of a lot of brands. This is tailor-made spring forming wire bending products. This article, right? Conveyor belt, ankle conveyor belt, hose show conveyor belt for the wired 10 to 15 mm, thickness 1 to 1.5 mm. This 2.5 stainless steel conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate loading, 40 centimeters. This one piece, 16 to 18 seconds, one piece by piece, in one stop, then waved in track, meter by meter. This, the conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate involving or snacks, chocolate related food, related snacks, biscuit go through the heating side. This stainless steel 304 or 316 material. As well, this one using the automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. The selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. This one also using automatic beverage selling machine. The spiral wire mesh is the spiral wire mesh. Lighting, outdoor LED lighting handle, outdoor LED lighting handle, 4mm spring wire, and the special tower conic compression spring, regular compression spring, balanced, tapered compression spring, using wider use of the anti-vibration suspension in sports bicycle, in electric bike, front a rear fork, front a rear tire, anti-vibration suspension using in mountain bicycle, electric bike. This anti-vibration in vehicles, in light-weighted vehicles, for trucks, for heavy trucks. The wire goes from 12mm to 16mm. Anti-vibration suspension. Sleeve spring. This is special as called sleeve spring. You can see the every loop are tight, connected each other. Every loop tight, connecting each other. Is widely used to protect the inside wire at using site with high temperature or high humidity to protect the inside cables, isolation wire, isolation layer. And in our daily life, using as the bathroom, water meter, and as the car's engine, nearby the engine for its high temperature or high humidity using site. Also, the tiny, very accurate, very precise, small, tiny sleeve spring using as the medical guide wire to put with the miniature camera or detectors go inside the stomach or go into lung to detect the local size. So for the tour table, we have a different machine to give the almost to complete all the solution, complete all the demands according to your different tasks. So you can send your drawing or send pictures
看一下54的区别小周有没有？
Sample pictures. We will select 2 or 3 models. You can send me. We are screen machine manufacturer. Once you have the task, or you have the task of the product to be mass producing, you are willing to plan it by a machine. You can send me drawing sample pictures with different directions, clear sample pictures, WhatsApp, WeChat. We will provide a professional solution for you. We are screen machine manufacturer.
Okay, next, let me show you a close look at the machine cruiser to show you how it's running. You can see the one running semicircle 180 degree from the lowest side to the highest side. Then make the tool fixture here on the tip. Then bend the wire at certain directions. So, and the manger, this is the manger driving, can turn in semicircle also. This with wire locally to handling the somewhat difficult products consists of a lot of turning, a lot of planes, or the planes over 3 or 4 go by wire rotary spring machine. And this is the spinner. This is the spinner. The tools, this one at very now, the tools lineup going for 6mm leg time, 6mm tent cam ground stick. And this is the view of the shamble. This shamble consists 3 main systems: the wire rotary, this field, wire rotary, gear, big gear driving, the wire rotary servo motor, and the wire feeding. Because now I just stop the wire feeding, just the showcase. You can see the manger is turning. The manger is turning. This one is the servo motor driving the manger, and the work panels. Rear of the work panel, you can see 8 handle driving independent servo motor directly. Every one of land for the hand 4.5, 4 pair feeding row with the groove. Take a close look with the groove. Okay, 2 groove. Every feeding rows 2 groove. 7 kilowatts the servo motor. This. And on this, here's a cabinet at the bottom of the chassis. So all the electric parts, the transformer, the power supply, the air switch, and all these actual servers are inside that chamber, inside that cabinet, with an independent air conditioner. Here's the structure of wire rotary go through the wire. But one thing I must point out, the wire lottery, some of the products, some of the tasks, no need wire lottery, then we will go through directly, not twist along the disc. The wire lottery. This is the structure. Inside the structure for the machine, camless with wire lottery, and this the button on off, which used for the early stage of setup to turning this a little bit turning, and move it a little bit ahead. So this is using for the setup for the early stage of. Also is useful for the final during the withdrawal of the wire. Gear type. 4 pair of feeding rods. So we mentioned about the tools consist the wire feeding tools and the product forming tools. At the rear of the work panel, here's the wire feeding tools. Consist those feeding rollers and the guiding plate. But at present, we do not insert the wire guiding plate. No wire guiding plate on this side. But the feeding rollers, 4 pair of feeding rollers, all of them, each of them with 2 grooves. You can see the details. Okay. So this is our camless spring forming machine with wire lottery. This is the middle-sized one. We have the one max for 4 mm, and the larger one is for 8, 10, or 12 mm. Okay, I'll go next to show you the close look at the control system. Okay, go to the control system. Here's the showcase, the control system. Here's the handle rail, select handle roller, the keyboard, the mice. Show you presently the English style. Presently here the English style. You can see the this O for wire lottery. A presently is not active for wire feed. Y for wire feeding. X1, X8. This means those means the distance as a unit millimeter, and this. For example, the Q for spinner means the angle as degree, millimeter, the length, millimeter, and the degree. So this can be active. Then also this machine up to 14 axes, 12, 13 servo sizer, another freehand, so total 14 axes. Here's the fingers, Y, gray, O for wire lottery, X1, X. So the figure presented is means you can see. Some of them meaning the millimeter, some of them meaning the degree. This is meaning. Okay, Alukuchi and the date, present time. Here we can go change into the English side. The start, stop is not touch screen. This goes to back home. Single line, single eject. Okay, setting the task, the figures and the program, the task, the rate, the shears. Also, all the necessary information can see on this interface. So this is a simple program, just consists of 7 lines. As well, we also have some more other spring machines. This is construction at 1.6 millimeter camless, 11 axis or 10 axis. This one go for 1.6 max cam type, and this one sampling well is sampling, and the client come for the training this afternoon very soon. And the other one, the lab is completed sampling and will come for the dispatch soonest. Once again, back this one. Wire decoil 6 millimeter held for 800 kilogram max. And this one 12 axis camless with wire rotary.
And do you know that you can tell me if you know this YouTube. And this for automatic.